Hello everyone and welcome to Write-Offs 101. Let's get right into the video. Here's what we're going to cover today. We're going to talk about what exactly are write-offs. We're going to go over common deductible expenses. We're going to mention keeping proper records, maximizing business expenses, consulting a tax professional, and then at the end, I will have some action items for us to move the needle forward. Now, warning, this is the most important video in the entire course. Watch the entire video, don't skip, and don't fast forward. Now, a pro tip is to watch the video in 2x speed, and let's get right into it. So what exactly are write-offs? Write-offs lower your taxable income. It reduces the income you're taxed on. Write-offs must be directly related to business-only expenses. Write-offs are not free money. It lowers your taxes, but it isn't a full refund. And finally, write-offs are smart and legal. It helps you save money while staying compliant. Now let's go over the common deductible expenses. First of all is inventory cost. Whatever you spend on sneakers or products, you can write it off. Secondly is shipping and logistics. Costs for shipping, pickups, and 3PL services are all eligible for write-offs. Next is home office and utilities. If you use your home for business, you can write off portions of your rent, your internet, and your phone bill for your business. Next is business travel. Flights, hotels, and transport for sneaker events or sourcing trips are all eligible for write-offs. Additionally, we have software and tools. Market research tools, tracking software, and automation services are all eligible. And lastly is marketing and ads. Anything you pay for promotions, website costs, social media ads are all eligible. Now let's talk about keeping proper records. Make sure you're using a business card if you aren't already. It helps you keep your personal and business expenses separate for easy tracking. Save receipts and invoices. Keep digital or physical copies of all purchases in case of audits. Track your mileage and travel. You can use an app or logbook for business-related travel deductions. Maintain a P&L statement. Regularly update your income and expenses for tax filing. And use accounting software. You can use something like QuickBooks, Xero, or similar tools to help you automate and categorize write-offs properly, as well as keeping all your receipts in one place. Now let's go over some unique ideas to maximize our business expenses. First is to utilize pre-tax contributions. If you remember earlier, I said the difference between a business owner and a 9-to-5 worker is that a business owner can contribute directly to retirement accounts like a 401k or a SEP IRA directly through your business. So you can lower your upfront taxable income while securing your future. Next is the Section 179 deductions. You can deduct the full cost of qualifying equipment and property purchases like computers, vehicles, or machinery in the year they're bought rather than depreciating them over time. For example, I have a friend that bought a BMW X7 for his business and he wrote off most of that vehicle through Section 179. In my case, I recently bought an iPad, so I can use Section 179 to write off the iPad and additional equipment like the Apple Pencil, a microphone, as well as a camera that I will be buying soon, etc. Next is business meals and entertainment. You can deduct 50% of qualified business meals and entertainment expenses. Make sure the meal is directly related to business and keep proper documentations like receipts, notes about the purpose of the meeting, etc. Additionally, we have vehicle deductions. If you use your personal vehicle for business expenses, you can deduct the mileage or actual vehicle expenses like gas, maintenance, insurance, based on the percentage of time is used for business. And finally, we have professional development and education. If you attend courses, workshops, or seminars to improve your business skills, those costs can be deductible as business expenses. This includes books, software, or any related materials. Yes, that's including this masterclass. Finally, we have consulting a tax professional. The reason why we want to consult a tax professional instead of doing this ourselves is because we can get expert guidance. We can stay compliant and maximize deductions with up-to-date tax advice. Secondly, we have strategic planning. You can get year-round tax planning to reduce your tax bill. Third, we have avoid mistakes. We can minimize risk of costly errors and audits. Optimize structure. We can choose the best business structure to save on taxes. And finally, we have maximize savings. A tax professional can help us identify credits and deductions that we might miss. Now let's summarize in 3 brief points. Number 1 is to maximize your deductions. Identify and leverage common business write-offs like office expenses, supplies, and equipment. Secondly is to track your expenses. You want to keep organized records, use business accounts, and monitor spending to ensure you're capturing all deductible costs. Finally is to consult experts. You want to work with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy and reduce your overall liability. Moving on to the action items. The one and only action item I have for you is to consult a certified public accountant. Schedule a meeting with a tax professional to discuss your deductions and get tailored advice for your consignment business. Everyone's situation is different, and I can't give you a clear-cut roadmap for how you should approach your taxes. You need to consult an accountant to help you along with your business. I hope that makes sense. With that said, let's get to work, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.